Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys battery setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on power saving mode in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to on power saving mode setting, so how to on and use power saving mode setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here in Infinix mobile phone power setting. After on power setting friends, you can see ultra power saving mode friends you want to use, so you can enable. Friends, click here and friends click here enable option. After enable means after turn on friends, super power saving mode setting, ultra power saving mode setting. Friends, you cannot use your background activity setting. Friends, you can see we cannot use any app, we cannot swipe here. Only two apps friends you can use. Phone call setting you can use, only calendar you can use it. So like that friends, we can use super ultra power saving mode setting in Infinix mobile. After on friends, we cannot use background activities means background with any app friends you cannot on, you cannot use except only two apps, calendar, phone calls. So once you want to call, so you can call guys enter number and you can call. So I don't have SIM card, so I enter number, direct you can call, and you can check only calendar and phone call setting. And friends, you can see quit option. If you click here, are you sure you want to quit friends ultra power saving mode setting? Yes. So friends, ultra power saving mode automatic off, and friends you cannot use, again you want to use, click here enable option and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to turn on and turn off ultra power saving mode setting in Infinix mobile. So bye friends.